The biggest lie in business is that you're going to get clients grinding harder. We've been sold that idea of success is just a game of numbers. Make more calls, send more DMs, knock more doors. But that's not a business. That's a treadmill. When I first got started selling life insurance, I was told it was simple math. Make 200 calls, get 20 conversations, set 2 appointments, close 1 sale. And yes, technically, it worked, but my life, absolutely miserable. And the breakthrough came when I stopped thinking like a salesperson and started thinking like a lead magnet. I asked myself, what if clients came to me instead of me chasing them? You see, running an insurance agency by chasing clients is absolutely exhausting. Most agents are spending 8 hours glued to a phone, dialing through recycled lead packs that aren't going anywhere. And it feels like progress, but in reality, it's wasted energy. The numbers game mentality is what keeps agents trapped. They've told you if you just grind more, 100 calls today, 200 calls tomorrow, that success is inevitable. But the truth is, this thinking turns agents into a call center instead of a business owner. I've seen agents argue over whether they could get 100 leads at $10 or $5, and yeah, they might have saved $5 for a lead pack or something like that. But what did it actually cost you? It cost you an entire day dialing numbers that are lower quality in the first place. You saved $5, but you lost 8 hours of your life calling people who didn't want to talk to you. That's not leverage. That's insanity. The agencies that break through realize that you don't need more leads, you need better leads. You don't need more people to chase, you need high intent people coming to you. And that's where the new model comes in. Imagine an AI system that finds you prospects, warms them up, qualifies them, and books them onto your calendar or reschedules them if they no-show. Even revives the leads that you thought were dead, all on autopilot. And the difference between chasing cold prospects and attracting warm ones is like the difference between hunting and farming. Hunters wake up every single morning in the hope they can find game, but farmers, they plant systems and the crops yield automatically season after season. So instead of hunting for clients, AI can systematically find prospects who are actively looking for what you have to offer. It starts by identifying them based on their actual goals, not just random demographics. When someone fills out a form and says their primary goal is retirement planning or paying off a mortgage or protecting their family, that lead is infinitely more valuable than a random name pulled off a leads list. But finding them is the first step. Smart agencies don't try to slam them into sales on the first call right away. They let AI warm up the prospect first. That means when your team finally speaks to them, they already know who you are and they should already trust you. And here's how the warming process works. First, the prospect sees educational-based content that positions you as the expert. Next, they watch the case study and testimonials that build your credibility. And here's the secret. Nurturing isn't one touch. The best conversions happen over multiple engagements. Think about it. They watch a short video that explains the value, then they fill out some information on a form, then they answer a short AI survey where they put in their information again, and then they pick a time to book on your calendar and they book themselves. That's 3 separate moments where they've leaned in. By the time they land on your calendar, they're not strangers, they're invested. And AI tracks all of this activity. If someone watches your 20-minute case study video, that tells you that they're serious. Compare that to a person who just clicks off after 30 seconds. The AI qualifies them for you by tracking their real behavior. So when your agents finally get on the phone, they don't say, hey, my name's John, can I get 2 minutes of your time? They start with, hey, Mr. Prospect, I saw you filled out a form and your top priority was protecting your family. How can I help you with that? It's a real conversation. No cold call wall, no awkward resistance, just happy engagement. Now, let's talk about what happens once they're warmed up, right? AI doesn't just find and nurture prospects. It books them into your calendar. Appointments go straight onto your calendar without you lifting a finger. But the real power is what happens when people don't show up. Traditional agencies lose 40% of their appointments to no-shows. And what's the usual plan? They do absolutely nothing. They shrug their shoulders and they mark it as a cold lead in their CRM and they move on. You see, AI flips that on its head. The system automatically follows up with no-shows, it sends them friendly reminders, and offers rescheduling links. It re-engages them without the agent wasting their time chasing them. Agencies using AI regularly recover 50 to 60% of their no-shows. Just think about it. It's like getting free leads from appointments that you've already paid for. And then the revival system. This is the hidden gold mine that most agencies completely ignore. You see, agencies usually throw away leads after 30 to 90 days. AI doesn't. It automatically revives those old leads into fresh campaigns. And maybe they weren't ready for life insurance 6 months ago, but today they're thinking about retirement planning. The same person, different priority, and now they're ready to talk. You see, I've seen agencies get 20 to 30% of their business revived off of old dead leads. These prospects are already paid for. They just didn't close the first time, but they came back after a few months, even years later, all because AI kept working in the background. And here's the beauty. It's all automated. Your team wakes up to new appointments, including people that they thought were gone forever. When you stop chasing and start letting AI handle the entire process, they'll be finding, warming, qualifying, booking, rebooking, reviving old prospects. Everything will change and your business will start to grow. Agents will stop wasting hours on dead calls, but instead they'll spend their time talking to people who already know what they want and are ready to buy. Managers will stop babysitting dial lists and start coaching their agents into closing more deals. You see, you agency owners need to stop stressing over whether the pipeline is going to be full next month and start planning on growth. This isn't by adding one more tool on top of a broken process. This is about replacing an entire approach to client acquisition with an integrated system that compounds. And the best part is it runs 24/7. While you're sleeping, AI is finding prospects, warming them up with content, qualifying their intent, booking them onto the calendar, rescuing no-shows, and reviving old dead leads. And by the time you wake up, it's already done. You see, most agents are still chasing. They're still cold calling. They're still buying recycled leads, hoping that next month will just be different. But the smart agencies, they build an AI infrastructure, and they're playing a completely different game. They're farming instead of hunting. They're compounding instead of grinding. Now, I've seen agencies completely transform when they stop chasing clients and start letting AI systems do the work automatically. And when your system finds, warms, qualifies, books, rebooks, and revives leads for you, you don't just grow, you have exponential growth. And if you want to see how we can install an integrated AI system into your agency, click the link in the description. I'll walk you through the entire done for you process step by step. And remember, believe in your ability to figure it out. I'll see you in the next video.